Looking good. Nice, nice, nice. Having a good time. Hey, Jem. Appreciate that. Nice.
Bracers, saddle up.
How to run the car with the GoPro so we get some onboard shots for you guys.
Have fun, good luck.
Thank you.
Vortex.
It's a paradox if you film each other filming.
A lot of times you guys don't see the behind the scenes action, what helps make all this come together, all the effort and work. But it's totally worth it when we get so many people out having a good time. Luke, hard at work. What are you doing, pal?
Changing out another fast lane machine, wide arm.
Okay. Why? What happened?
They make plastic and aluminum.
Yeah.
The aluminum, as you can see, are very beefy.
Nice.
Great.
Yeah.
And where the shocks attach,
Yeah.
it's thick.
I see.
Where the shocks attach,
Oh,
it's
it's
very,
thin.
very thin.
Yeah.
So
you're gonna
this
go-
was one lap.
On
First
that.
lap busted.
That's
They do have a lifetime warranty, which
yeah.
is great.
Nice.
So,
And it's very warm. It's not like it broke in the cold. Paul, your truck broke?
Well, I got no wheel.
What happened? Which wheel? Looks like you got those wheels. Oh, no wheel in the back. Did it just release itself as you were driving? That's nice of it. It's nice of it to think of you like that.
It was.
Dave,
Well, on to rebuild and go. I know. I was getting it too.
you won.
What's that?
You won.
Yes.
Congrats, dude.
always
Tackle that, man. Boom. I know he always wins. Did you have a good time?
Didn't win last year.
That's good, man.
I'll give it to Everett. He ran an awesome race last year and won.
Yes, yes, man. The sun got to Everett this race, man. Couldn't take any more. This is the winning truck, though. Pretty awesome, dude.
Yeah, tire marks.
Yeah. Oh, classic
Robin's
rub.
racing.
Perfect.
I don't know who that's from.
Good
Robin's
job,
racing,
buddy.
man. Look at that.
Good job.
That might have been from you.